Welcome to episode 3 of our guided meditation series. Today, we practice Kinhin, mindfulness in motion. Slowly stand up. Find a quiet pathway where you can take 10 to 15 steps in a straight line, back and forth. Bring your feet parallel, hip-width apart. Rest your hands gently. Either fold your left hand into a soft fist over your chest, cupping it with your right, or let your arms hang naturally by your sides. Close your eyes for a moment, or keep a soft, lowered gaze a few feet ahead on the floor. Take a deep breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth. Feel the soles of your feet resting on the ground. Notice how gravity holds you steady. You are fully present right here. Open your eyes gently, keeping your focus soft and relaxed. Before we move, bring your awareness to the bottom of your feet. Feel the contact with the floor, the distribution of your weight, the temperature of the air around you. We are not walking to reach a destination. There is nowhere to go and nothing to achieve. The walking itself is the practice. Shift your body weight slightly into your right foot. Notice how the left foot feels lighter. Now, shift your weight into your left foot, feeling the right foot release its pressure. Now we begin walking at a deliberate, slow pace. Break down every single step into 3 distinct phases: lifting, moving, and placing. As you inhale, slowly lift your back heel. Feel the foot rise. As you exhale, move that foot forward through the air. Lower your heel first, then the ball of the foot, and finally the toes, anchoring firmly to the ground. Lifting, moving, placing. Shift your weight to the front foot and repeat with the other side. Lifting, moving, placing. Sync your steps with your natural breath. Let your breath set the pace, never rushing, never forcing. If your balance wavers, simply pause, feel the ground beneath you, and begin again. As you reach the end of your pathway, do not stop entirely. Instead, pause for one full breath. Slowly and deliberately, turn your entire body around, step by step, and prepare to walk back down the path. Take your time. Let us make 2 full passes back and forth across your space, maintaining that slow, steady rhythm of lifting, moving, and placing. Feel the gentle shift of direction. Notice how turning with full awareness is part of the practice too. When you reach the end of your second pass, pause once more, turn slowly, and begin your final walk back. As you continue stepping forward, broaden your attention to the rest of your body. Notice your ankles stabilizing each step. Feel the subtle movement in your knees, the shift of your hips, the rise and fall of your shoulders with every breath. If your mind wanders to past thoughts or future plans, gently notice it without judgment. Label it softly as thinking and bring your focus right back to the feeling of your feet meeting the floor. When you reach the end of your path, stop. Pause for one full breath. Slowly turn your entire body around step by step, and pause again before taking your next path forward. Take your last few steps at this conscious, slow pace, lifting, moving, placing. Now, come to a complete standstill. Bring your feet side by side once again. Take a deep, cleansing breath in and exhale fully. Notice the energy moving through your legs, the warmth in your feet, and the calm clarity in your mind. Remember, you can bring this same quality of presence into every step you take today, whether walking to another room, walking outdoors, or simply moving through your daily life. Thank you for practicing with me today. Slowly open your eyes whenever you are ready.